This video is the first of a series of videos that are going to help you develop your site step by step. We want you, as the user of the BondLayer app, to feel confident in your building skills, as well as learning about the different areas where you can link your layouts and content. So to start this exercise, we're going to look here at the side panel, the dock map. If you can't see it, all you have to do is click this button here and the dock map will open. We can also expand the dock map if necessary by clicking here. In this area, we're going to find 3 different sections. The last section, called Finish Page Example, is the only one that is visible. We can explore this section by clicking on these arrows. We can maximize and minimize its structure, and here we can find all of the elements and components that make this section up. These are currently visible here on the canvas. So this structure that we can see here on the canvas, this page, is what we want to build in the next 3 tutorial videos. This will be the final result after completing the next 3 tutorial videos. So we're going to keep this structure invisible. All you have to do is click on this button to hide the structure and click it again to make it visible. As we're building the structure, we can always come back and take a look at this structure we have just hidden to make sure we are building it correctly. But to make sure the canvas is cleaner and easier to work with, we're going to keep this structure hidden for now. We're going to enable the visibility of the first section called Build Your Page here. This is where we're going to place all the components and elements that will make up the page. These are the ones that we have just seen on the finished example page. We can't see anything yet as we haven't added components to this section. These components will be here in the second section, in the page elements section. We have a series of page elements here that were used from the UI Objects panel. However, some instructions and nomenclatures have been added. I'm just going to close this panel. As we can see, we have a series of structures with a letter associated to each structure along with some instructions. We can see here in this first section that we're being told to follow an instruction. We have an element called A here, so what we're being told to do is to click here in this section and drag until this section here where we can find the instruction. So the effect, as we can see here, is this one of creating a few boundaries. There are also other components that have a tooltip. So this is one of those components that lets us know that inside of this structure we will find a new instruction. Each time this happens, all you have to do is come here to these arrows, expand the structure, and look for the new instruction. Here it is, and it's telling us that inside of this element we're going to find the place where we should place the menu. We're going to continue expanding, and here it is. I'm just going to open the dock map slightly, and here is the final instruction to add a simple menu. So we're going to press on the simple menu and we're going to drag it inside of the correct element. We can start to see the formation of something here on the canvas. The menu is here. So this is how we're going to continue throughout the tutorial. It's really easy, and we have all the instructions here in the dock map. I think we're ready to move on to the next videos.